Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4 hours in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then sure, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So as far as the weekend is concerned, overall, very healthy weekend. The price continued to trend its way back upwards and just, slowly grind higher and higher. The probably easiest way to see that is just to look at where the lows have been. And you can see those lows just kept getting higher and higher, or if you picture those as stair steps, there's another way to kind of, vision it in your mind. But stair steps building in the upwards direction, definitely a good little, sign of strength. And then the other big event that occurred is in regards to this red line here, which I talked about on Friday, which was that key level of resistance. And, the question going in, throughout the weekend was, was the price going to be able to actually get up above that level at 10,600? And yes, not only did the price get above it, so far so good. The price is currently hanging above it. And I say so far so good because, again, if you're watching this 20 hours from now, the chart's going to look different, which brings about our first question to ask yourself. So let's just use that 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this 20 hours, after I upload it. Question number one, nothing fancy, just simply, is the price still up above 10,600? So as long as you're answering the question that the price is up above that level, then overall the chart's still perfectly fine. I mean, that could imply that the price is actually right down around here somewhere. But I mean, when you stop and think about, even if you were answering the question in that way, what is that still implying? Well, that's implying that you have that low right there. And then when you, again, factor in all these other previous lows, that would still be giving you that the overall stair steps are still very clearly progressing upwards. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 10,600, does that mean the entire chart's destroyed? Doesn't mean that, but you definitely don't want to make sure the price is severely below it. So what do I mean? Well, this is where some gut instincts and common sense comes into play. I mean, if you're answering the question that the price is below it, it's right there at 10,400. Okay, don't get me wrong, that's not a good sign, but it's not like the chart's ruined. Now, if you're watching this 20 hours from now and the price is down there, at 10,000, well, at that point, something's, wrong with the current upwards movement. So like I said, from that angle of things, just use your gut instincts and common sense. And then the other area to also use your gut instincts and common sense is if you're saying, well, Clay, yeah, the price is up above 10,600 and it's, right now up at 11,600. Well, at that point, common sense would say, well, nice. Not only has, this movement continued, but it's gotten that much more stronger over the past, since I've done the video here. So like I said, from both those angles, common sense will take you far. But really the main level going forward, the main question kind of all this revolves around is, where's the price going to stay relative to 10,600? So let's see how things play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.